Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing a live trading session so you guys can see how I trade and how it can help you out, and just as a way for you guys to learn. If it helps you, let's get started. So, my strategy entering Monday, after the week, we had war news. We went down during the week. So, first thing I do, mark my draws on liquidity. Just mark all these lows down here. You can see we're bearish, displacing down, respecting this gap, displacing down. So yeah, let's just see what happens. This is high, this Asia high and gap right here. Let's go. There's this gap right here we might be bouncing off of. So we want to see that gap get disrespected so we can move lower. Let's go to 15-minute. Let's analyze structure. So we swept this high right here. Pre-market open. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just dump. Yeah, let's see what happens. What we want to see is just displacement towards our draws on liquidity. And that's about it. Just simple as that. Find an entry. Yeah, so meanwhile, what I like to do when heading to market open or waiting for a trade, just be on TikTok or YouTube. There's no point on being glued onto the screen and being worried like, oh, I'm gonna miss my trade, or oh, should I enter here, right? If the trade sticks out to you, then that's your cue to enter. Yeah, let's just see what happens. I want to see this gap get disrespected. Hopefully we can find an entry. All right, so I'll see you guys back when market opens. All right, guys, we're back. So market just opened. If we tap into this gap right here, this 5-minute gap. Let's see, we want to displace lower from this gap, or if we want to go higher, sweep some more highs right here, then go lower. But I just want to see displacement past this gap. Hopefully take my trade towards this London low. Yeah, see what ES is up to. So it's useful. Check it out. So yeah, let's just wait for our entry. All right. It looks like we're rejecting from this fair value gap, and we're heading towards this high. So what do we want to see now? Remember, changing our bias throughout. We want to see us displace through this high, so then we can target these highs up here. Simple as that. No need to overcomplicate it. If we bounce off of this high, if we reject this area off this high, our bias can change going back down, right? Or we might just be consolidating, bouncing off of these highs and bouncing off of these lows down here. So let's just see what happens. It's just displacement towards our draw. Yeah. Okay, we hit this high up here. Very strong displacement. If I'm being honest, we might just be targeting. We might be going for this gap right here to fill. So yeah, let's see what happens. We might take an entry right here, depending on how the candle closes. There's this Asia high. Was the Asia high? It was. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Let's go down to the 1 minute and see what's happening. Let's see if we're gonna reject off of this high up here. Okay, we might start displacing higher up. Nice. Okay. Might be our entry right here. See, 1 minute. Not gonna lie, guys, it's looking beautiful. Waiting for this 1 minute closure to confirm it. Okay, perfect. Let's enter a trade. Taking it, or TP right here. Stop loss below here. Do 6 contracts. Yep. All right. See what happens. We'll break even after taking this high up here. Yeah. Beautiful 1 minute. Let's see what ES is up to. ES is rejecting off of 5 right here. Okay. Displacement, displacement, displacement. Shit. I love displacement. We might be rejecting. We just pushed through that. We are definitely going towards this Asia high. Nice. At this point, I'm fully convinced. That's our draw. I might just enter my contracts right now. Okay, let's break even here. Just swept all those highs. Are we gonna reject off of this? If we are, I'm gonna break even. Come on, displace higher. Come on, come on. You got this, beautiful candles. Come on. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful. There are positions. What? Why are alpha features the only thing running? What the fuck? Top step? What the fuck? Why are we not running positions? Okay. Let's enter on our toss-up accounts, I guess. Drawings, whatever. Shit. We rejecting off of that. Nope. Okay. I'm panicking. Oh my god. Top step. What the fuck? We're like chasing here, right? 5 minutes. Oh my god. Top here. 10 contracts. That's fucked. That's actually fucked. I can't believe Toss-Up did that to me. I'm just close this position. I'm happy with that. I'm trying to meet my 40% rule on my alpha accounts. So yeah. Would I still be meeting it? Nice. Close position. So for a buy on the top steps, we're gonna go for a quick scalp here. Trust 15. Man, let's take that. Come on. What's happening? Oh my god. We're retracing. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Why? What happened? What the hell? 4-1. Is our elite account active on? Do we have our elite account? 4-1. Top Step, what are you doing? How's the S&P look? Okay, we're rejecting off of these highs. These highs right here. It's our target. It's beautiful high up here. Beautiful. What was that? That's not cool. All right, guys, we're back. So as you can see, the trade would have fully ended up playing out. Like I said, it's just displacement and marking your jaws on liquidity. But bad news, after all that chaos, I did end up taking a scalp on my Top Step accounts. And unfortunately, they ended up getting blown. And I'll show you guys what ended up happening so you guys wouldn't make the same mistake. Let's get started. So I had $500 to draw down. I just told myself I'd rather risk it all and reset these accounts, right? If I lose, or just get a big trade and get my drawdown back up, you know. I'm not gonna be risking $100 just to keep those accounts alive, you know. So, all right, let's get started. So, in the toss of accounts, I had full faith in this trade. Fortunately, it didn't play out. We got a retrace, then our displacement up. I ended up taking the trade at this point right here. My take profit is right here. And we ended up getting stopped out at the slow down here. I didn't break even. I just was waiting for it to hit TP, to be honest. Went hitting to our stop loss. The accounts got blown. It is what it is. We learn from it. You could always get more accounts. But yeah, that's what it is. Our total P&L was $20.95 for the day. Only on our Top Steps. Sadly, I mean only on our alphas. Sadly, the Top Steps had to go, but it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoy the live trading session. Play this more for the future. But yeah, it was nice. Recording this video was really fun. Hope you guys can learn from this. Apply it to your trading, even the mistakes I make. Yeah, good luck on everyone's trading, and see y'all next video. Bye.